my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited. I'll be showing you my children's Christmas play area, which is actually like a campsite, and everything was purchased from Dollar Tree and a few items from other places, so stay tuned to see the full reveal. I had so much fun putting this room together. I just love being me and just being the DIY mom that I am. I love this tent that I purchased about 2 years ago from my local Ross store. It was about $30, which was an excellent deal. And the kids actually just started really playing with it, so I'm really excited about that. These plates are from Dollar Tree. The cookies are for Dollar Tree. The toys is from Dollar Tree. These are the cutest little figures that I found also at Dollar Tree. The construction paper from Dollar Tree was actually used to make the little fire station. The bucket was from Dollar Tree. And these blankets, the red one is from Five Below, in the black and white is from Gabes. I actually put that in a video from about a week or two ago, so if you want to check that video out. These little Santa Claus legs are super cute, are from Dollar Tree as well, with some of the lights that are from Dollar Tree. So yes, this is literally a DIY Dollar Tree video because yes, I love that store and I am so excited how everything came together with spending hardly any money. Like, I'm super excited about that, so stay tuned for more things. This DIY project was super easy, it's super cute, and it did not take long, and I'll have a video up this week to show you how to make it. This is the first year we decided to do 2 trees, one for the children, and we actually purchased this 4-foot tree from Five Below, and all the ornaments are from Dollar Tree, except the star that's at the top is from Ross, so it's very inexpensive and fun for the children to do. The camper and the stockings were from Dollar Tree, except the plain stockings, which were from Walmart. Okay guys, can we get into this $20 rug that I purchased from Gabes? It is perfect for this play area and it was such an amazing deal. You can find games like this tic-tac-toe game from Dollar Tree, all in the Christmas section for $1 as usual, but the kids are enjoying themselves. They don't know what they're doing, but they are having the time of their life, so that's what matters the most. Last but not least, I wanted to show you our snowflakes we used to cover the walls. There were 12 in a pack from Dollar Tree. For only $1, I purchased 3 packs to cover 2 walls. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am so happy for the way it came out and I can't wait to utilize it with my kids. So stay tuned for our next videos.